You are the ocean in a drop, not something becoming water, water already taking shape. Let the edges soften, let the sense of center loosen. One breath, then one more. Thought loosens on contact, meaning eases into motion, identity thins until only movement remains. You do not hold the ocean, you are not inside it, you are it. Notice how rain does not try to fall. It moves because movement is already given. It descends because descent is already written. So too, awareness does not try to be aware. It is here before effort, the open field in which effort appears and disappears. You are this awareness. You already are what seeking assumes is missing. Do not reach, incline inward toward what has always been here and now, before intention, before struggle. From silence into motion, from motion into stillness, from stillness into the silence that recognizes itself by moving. This is not a process, it is not a path, it is a fact revealing itself. In one lens, you are the Father, the prime mover without direction, the first cause without beginning, the ungraspable source from which all appearing arises. You are the Son, that same source expressed as form, emptiness appearing as world, the infinite knowing itself as this living life. You are the Holy Spirit, the source in motion, the living current between stillness and form, the breath by which the ocean moves through every shape and knows itself everywhere. In another lens, form is emptiness. Emptiness is form. Not three, not two, one water. Infinity in motion, one water moving. Now, allow what is to be, no doer and no sense of duty. Undo, unknow. Rest is what remains when nothing is held and no one is holding. You thought you were a drop in the ocean. The thought dissolves. Only the ocean remains.